Started out as a welder. I got into the weld engineering department, so I'm a weld engineering tech. When I perform an audit, I first check to make sure that the part is welded to print. It all circles back to what our customers are getting, making sure that our customers are getting the best product they can get. I'm most proud of the relationships that I build with all the welders. I get to know a little bit about them and know where they come from, and that helps me, if they're struggling, helps me grow with them.
She has been a really fun, rapid growth success story. One of Kayla's great strength is not just winning the welders on the floor and working with young people, helping coach them up who are just learning how to weld, but also working with seasoned welders and truly help them out and show them how they can improve their process.
I'm happiest at work when I get to work with a new welder and watch them grow. They can see the opportunities within their role. If you're a girl trying to get into welding and you're intimidated, you never know until you try, and if you're gonna pick a company to go and try, Vermeer is the company.